Buying land in England. Whether you're planning to build your dream home or expand your business, there's one thing you can't ignore: stamp duty land tax. Hello and welcome to Blackstone Solicitors YouTube channel. And today we're answering a question we hear all the time. Do you pay stamp duty when buying land? The short answer is yes, but let's break it down. Stamp duty land tax, or SDLT, is a tax you pay when you buy property or land in England or Northern Ireland. It applies to both residential and non-residential transactions, including bare land. SDLT is a tax on land and property purchases over £125,000 for residential or £150,000 for non-residential. As mentioned, the amount of SDLT you pay depends on whether the land is classed as residential or non-residential. Residential land means land that's part of a garden or intended for a home. Non-residential land covers farmland, commercial plots, or development sites with no dwelling. If you're buying land to build a house, it's usually classed as residential. So, how much will you pay? As of April 2025, here are the SDLT thresholds. For residential land under the standard rates, up to £125,000, the rate is 0%. From £125,001 to £250,000, it's 2%. For £250,001 to £925,000, the rate is 5%. From £925,001 to £1.5 million, it's 10%. Anything over £1.5 million is taxed at 12%. For non-residential land, up to £150,000 is 0%, £150,001 to £250,000 is 2%, and anything over £250,000 is 5%. If you already own a home and you're buying land for a second property, you may pay an additional 5% surcharge on top of the standard residential rates. Companies and trusts may also face higher rates, up to 17% in some cases. So when do you pay SDLT? You must file an SDLT return and pay the tax within 14 days of completing the purchase. If you miss the deadline, HMRC could hit you with penalties and interest. Can you reduce or avoid SDLT? Well, there are actually a few scenarios where you might pay less, or sometimes nothing at all. For example, first-time buyers may qualify for relief on residential land. Transfers due to divorce or inheritance are often exempt, and certain commercial transactions may qualify for reliefs or exemptions too. Always, and I mean always, get legal advice before assuming you're exempt. At Blackstone Solicitors, we help clients navigate the complexities of SDLT, whether you're buying a plot of land, a commercial site, or maybe a future home. We'll make sure you pay the right amount and not a penny more. Thinking of buying land? Well, contact us today for expert legal advice and SDLT guidance. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more legal insights from Blackstone Solicitors.